Alright, hey everybody, check it out. We've got the Ganzo G751. This is a really sweet knife. Been carrying it for a couple weeks. I really like it a lot. One of my other favorite knives is the G728, which is the flip style. And this one is a liner lock. But man, I love this thing. And you guys know I'm a fan of Ganzo. They're very inexpensive, and the quality you get, it's getting even better. Hopefully I can show. This is the green micarta textured. Now it comes with the blue anodized hardware, which I'm not a big fan of the blue, but it looks really nice. And I like the fact that they now have the matching colored G10 dividers here on the back, and it's got the regular clip with, again, the anodized hardware. Now I believe this is bearings inside, it's not washers. So if you see in there, it's hard to show you, but it's bearings. Those aren't washers. Ganzo is really stepping up their game, and this knife, it's just so nice. Look at that blade profile. I'll have the specs. I'll show them right now on the screen as I just display the knife. The quality for the price of these knives can't be beat. And you'll notice some of the other videos, they're going with the Firebird logo, and Ganzo's branded these the Firebird. Very sharp, very, very sharp out of the box. As typical with most Ganzo knives. But you see it's got this jimping on both the scales and the blade, which is not aggressive at all. It's perfect. I mean, if I'm going to have jimping, I'm not a big fan. I like this kind of jimping. It's very comfortable. I've been using it here to process some wood, fat wood, and some tinder torch, just messing around with the Firebox Nano, and it's proven itself very comfortable, and I'm very impressed with this knife. It's so smooth, and even with the flip or the thumb studs, either hand, left or right, which is excellent. So right hand tip up, very nice. So what I'll do, I'll throw in some action shots now. Now this is just a piece of tinder torch. This stuff cuts like butter anyway, but alright, piece of fat wood. Wow, this is some old fat wood. Alright, let's try out some old dead stick here. So it's easy to grip like this. It's comfortable. Right there, like I said, that jimping. Really narrows the spine. You can see. You can put your thumb right there, and then really control it. That's nice. Alright, here's a piece of fat wood. This is actually Texas fat wood. Shout out to John Caps. Appreciate it, brother. Alright, so look at that. And believe me guys, this is not easy wood to cut like that. Very hard, dense, resonated fat wood, but very nice. So I like it. It's good knife, and the action on it, so smooth. Those bearings inside. Alright, so that's the G751 from Ganzo. So guys, just wanted to show you this. It's available on a few different websites. GearBest is where I picked it up, and I'll have the link below, but just wanted to show everybody. Check it out. Another great quality product from Ganzo Knives at a budget price. And appreciate you stopping by, checking out the video. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment. What's your favorite Ganzo knife if you've got one? Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day.